Have you ever wished you had more time in the kitchen? Introducing the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker, the ultimate time-saving kitchen companion. With 9 machines in one, this 6-quart, 9-in-1 instant multi-cooker is perfect for all your cooking needs. From pressure cooking to slow cooking, sautéing to sous vide, this multi-purpose cooker can do it all. And cleaning up is a breeze. The stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant housing, along with the dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories, make cleanup quick and easy. Say goodbye to dangerous steam releases. Our stress-free venting system, with the seal/vent button placed away from the steam release valve in the 30 degrees backward-angled steam release design, ensures safer and easier venting. Keep an eye on your cooking with the real-time progress bar displayed on the cooker. No more guessing or constantly checking, you can now monitor your meals at a glance. Our COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is equipped with an anti-spin design in the inner pot, allowing you to sauté and stir without any worries. It's all about convenience and safety in the kitchen. And when it comes to saving time, nothing beats the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker. Pressure cook your meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or use the slow cook function for hearty stews and soups. Don't miss out on the ultimate time-saving kitchen companion. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more time-saving kitchen tips and recipes.